package comes with the bumper itself. Really nice, good welding. Also, it comes with instruction, a lot of good bolts, and 2 hooks. Before installation, I would tighten up these bolts to make sure this LED light is tight enough. It will not come loose. In order to install a new bumper, you have to take the old bumper off. At the beginning, you need T30 to loose these bolts. For on each side, there are 2 on there are another 2 on the other side. After you remove these 4 bolts, the bumper should come off. The procedure is the same for on the other side. Just remove all these bolts. The other side should be come off. There are actually 5 bolts to hold the plastic bumper. One is here, second one, third one, fourth one, and there are another one down there. After you remove all the plastic bumper, you need to remove these 4 bolts, 2 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. I use an 18mm wrench. 2 bolts. Here's another one over here. Remove 3 bolts. The bumper should come off. There are 1, 2 over here, and another one over here. Like you have to unbolt it from the other side. To install the bumper, you need 3 bolts for each side. There are 2 over here, and another one, like here.